Get straight to the point. This is probably the easiest Fibonacci strategy that there is, right? Very simple, requires only one rule, right? Now, before I get started, if you don't know what the Fibonacci is, it's pretty much a tool that determines where a price will reverse before continuing its upward or downward movements on the charts, right? Now, there are other videos that you can watch on Fibonacci, but I'll just go on with the video, right? So when price makes a higher high, as you can see right here. Now, what you want to do is you want to take your Fibonacci, draw it from the low to the high, and these are key levels, right, for you to wait for price to turn. Now, these are the best levels to use. As you can see right here, 0,5, 0,6, and 0,7. These are the strongest levels. As you can see, price bounced on the 0,786 level and continued upwards, right? Now, how do you determine when to enter, right? You only enter when you see a bounce and a reversal candle as such. Enter your trade and continue the movement upwards. You can see that. I had a good 1 to 4 over there. I'll show you another example. Now you can see that a higher high was formed, right here. Higher high was formed. Draw your fib low to high. You can see what happened here, right? You can see price bounced on this level right here. You see that was a bounce, and price went up as such. That was a 1 to 2. All right, you'd have taken it, but sometimes price moves in unpredictable ways, right? Cool. Now I'm gonna show you something else. You can see price is now going down. As you can see, this is now a downtrend, right? And now what I advise is that trade with the trend always. You see price is going down. Draw your fib from high to low. As you can see, price has bounced perfectly on your 0,7, and you can take your sell. Then we have another break of structure over here. Price formed the lower low. Therefore, you draw your fib to the low, to the high, or to the high, to the low. As you can see, price bounced on your 0,382 and pretty much your 0,5. That was a good trade as well. You would have taken it. So that is how simple it is, right? That is how simple it is. Not complicated, very simple. If you need mentorship, make sure to drop a comment. Let me know and I'll guide you through to become profitable.